everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Instagram application to the latest version in 2024 on any of your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, basically there are two different ways to update Instagram application on your Android device to the latest version. The first one is to simply head over to the Google Play Store and then search for Instagram, then search for it, and if it says update you can tap on update and it will be updated to the latest version. But if it says open instead of update and technically your Instagram application is already updated to the latest version, you can do another thing. You can force update the Instagram app by simply heading over to the settings, then look for app section and then go to see all apps. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to find Instagram right here, yeah, I found it. Then tap on Instagram and tap on storage and cache, and then clear cache and clear storage. And after clearing the storage, go back to the Google Play Store and then reinstall Instagram app. Basically it will force update the application to the latest version and you'll be able to get access to all the features of 2024 update. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.